Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a continuation of explanation of key answer. So let us start question number 28. So let us start question number 29. Prove that the length of tangent drawn from an external point of a circle are equal. So this question is like theorem. For theorem, you can refer my previous video where I have uploaded the explanation of theorem. Now let us see the question. Next question of 29. Prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is rhombus. So here a parallelogram circumscribing a circle is rhombus. We have to prove that a circle with center O, a parallelogram ABCD. We have taken a parallelogram ABCD at point PQRS, circle circumscribed. What we have to prove that this parallelogram ABCD is nothing but we have to prove as rhombus. So this only the question tells that prove that a parallelogram circumscribing a circle is rhombus. So we have to prove this parallelogram is rhombus. Here, to prove this, in parallelogram ABCD, AB equal to CD and AD equal to BC because the opposite sides of the parallelograms are equal. AB is equal to CD, AD is equal to BC. Now, we know that tangent drawn from external points are equal. Here this is the external point. These all are external points. So let us see. AP is equals to AS because the tangent drawn from external point. AP is equals to AS. BQ is equals to BP. And CR is equals to CQ. DR is equals to DS. These all are tangent drawn from external points are equal. We know that theorem, the tangent drawn from external points are equal. We have already proved. So, these all tangents are equal. Adding all this, we get AP plus BP, CR plus DR. This side we added is equal to as it is AS plus BQ, CQ plus DS. Now, let us make a group. AP plus BP, CR plus DR, AS plus DS, BQ plus CQ. AP plus BP is nothing but AB. So I'll write AB. CR plus DR is nothing but CD. In place of CR plus DR, CD. AS plus DS is nothing but AD. And BQ plus CQ is nothing but BC. So we wrote all this. AB as it is. CD is nothing but, we can see here, CD is nothing but AB. So in place of CD I have written AB again is equal to AD as it is. BC is nothing but again AD because opposite sides of parallelogram are equal we have written. So AB plus AB to AB, AD plus AD to AD. 2 get cancel, AB equals to AD. Already we know that AB is equals to CD. Here we got AB equals to AD. AB equals to CD we know that which is also equals to AD and also equals to CD. These all sides will be equal. Therefore ABCD is a rhombus. We proved that ABCD is nothing but a rhombus. So now question number 30. Construct a triangle of side 4 cm, 5 cm and 6 cm and then a triangle similar to it whose sides are 2/3 of corresponding sides of the first triangle. So for construction you can refer my previous video where I have explained such type of problems. Let us see the question. Next question. Find the coordinates of the point of trisection of a line segment joining 2, -2 and -7, 4. We can see here they have told a line is trisected. So this is AB are the 2 points and AB is a line, okay, which is trisected at point P and Q. One section, two section, trisection. So they have told find the point of trisection. So these are the point of trisection. We need to find P and Q. So here let the given points be A 2 minus 2 and B minus 7 4. P and Q are 2 points on AB. P and Q are 2 points on AB such that AP is equal to PQ and which is equal to QB. This 3 part is also equal. Okay. Now let us start. Let us find the P point. P divide AB. P divide AB in the ratio 1:2 because this part is two parts. P divides AB in the ratio 1:2. So A is nothing but 2 minus 2 and B is minus 7 4. So x1 y1, x2 y2 and this 1:2 is m1 m2. So we know that when there is ratio then we have to go for section formula. So let us find the coordinate of P. Coordinate of P formula, what we will get? m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So now let us substitute the formula values. m1 is nothing but 1, x2 minus 7 plus as it is m2 2 and x1 also 2 upon m1 plus m2 1 plus 2. Likewise m1 1 y2 4 plus m2 2 y2 minus 2 upon 1 plus 2. So 7 1s are 7 minus 7 plus 2 2s are 4. 2 plus 1 3. 4 1s are 4 plus minus minus 2 2s are 4 upon 2 plus 1 3. 1 plus 1 minus, again we have to do minus. 7 minus 4 is 3. Greater number is minus sign, so minus 3 upon 3 as it is. 4 minus 4 0, 0 upon 3. 3 3 get cancelled, so minus 1 0. Coordinate of P we get minus 1 0. Likewise we need to find coordinates of Q now. Q divides AB in the ratio 2. Q divides this side 2, this side 1. So 2:1. Q divides in the ratio 2:1. Same way AB. Q divides AB. So AB we have to take in ratio m1 2 and m2 1. So same we have to do coordinate of Q. Same formula this. We have to just substitute the value m1 2. x2 minus 7, m2 1, x1 2 upon m1 plus m2 2 plus 1. Then m1 2, y2 4 plus m2 1, y1 minus 2 upon m1 plus m2 2 plus 1. 7 2s are minus 14 plus 2 1s are 2 upon 2 plus 1 3. 4 2s are 8 plus minus minus 2 1s are 2 upon 2 plus 1 3. Now 14 minus 2, 1 minus 1 plus means you have to do always minus. 14 minus 2, 12. Greater sign is, greater number is minus, so minus 12 by 3. 8 minus 2, 6. Greater number is plus, so plus sign upon 3. 3 1s are 3 4s are 12 minus 4 and 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. So we got the coordinates of point of trisection here. Next, let us see the next question. So the next question is, in the following, find the value of k for which the points are collinear. Here the points are given 7 minus 2, 5 1, 3k. So now let us see. Let the given points be A 7 minus 2, B 5 1, C 3k. These are the given points. Just now we have seen in the question. To be the points collinear, they have told check whether it is collinear or not, or prove that. They have told which are collinear. Yes. So to be the points collinear, area of triangle must be equal to 0. Okay. So area of triangle formula we know in coordinate geometry. Half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 x3 y1 minus y2. So area of triangle must be equal to 0. In place of area of triangle we should write 0 is equals to half as it is. X1 value is 7 into y1 1 minus y3k plus 5 x2 5 y3k minus of minus plus, and y1 is minus 2, so minus minus get plus 2, directly I have written, plus x3 3 y1 minus 2 minus y2 1. So 0, this 2 comes this side and get multiply because it is in divide position, so it gets multiply. 0 into 2 is equals to, now this half gone this side, so 7 in 1 into 1 7, 7 ones are 7, plus minus minus 7 into k 7k plus 5 into k 5k plus 5 2s are 10 plus 3 as it is, minus minus plus, so minus minus we should do plus, 2 plus 1 3, but minus minus sign minus, so minus 7k plus 5k is minus 2k. 1 plus 1 minus always doing minus, but greater number sign is minus, so minus 2k plus 7 as it is, plus 7 plus minus minus 9, 3 3s are 9, so minus 2k as it is. 10 plus 7 17, 17 minus 9 8 is equals to 0. 2k is equals to, if plus 8 will go this side, minus 8, minus minus get cancelled, k is equals to 8 by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, so the value of k is 4. Question number 33 is, prove that this is reduced, which is from real number. Let us see fifth main. The seventh term of an AP is 4 times its second term and 12th term is 2 more than 3 times its fourth term. Find progression. What they have told here. Seventh term is 4 times second term. Seventh term is 4 times second term, because 4 times means we have to multiply. And 12th term is 2 more than, more means plus. 12th term is 2 more than 3 times. Times when comes it is multiply. 2 more than 3 times its fourth term. So we wrote both the equation. Now let us see. A7 is nothing but A plus 6D. A7 is A plus 6D is equals to 4 as it is. A2 is A plus D. A plus 6D as it is, 4 into A, 4A, 4 into D, 4D. Let us bring A terms one side and D terms one side. 6D here only will bring 4D this side. 4A here only will bring A this side. So 6 minus 4 is 2D and 4 minus A is 3A. D is equals to 3A by 2. So D value we got. Now let us solve this side. A12 is nothing but A plus 11D is equal to 2 as it is plus 3 as it is. A4 is A plus 3D. A plus 11D is equals to 2 plus 3 into A 3A. 3 3s are 9D. So D terms we will bring one side and A term one side. 11D here only. I'll bring 9D this side, so it becomes minus 9D. Is equals to 2 as it is plus as it is 3A as it is. This A I bought this side, so it becomes minus. So 11 minus 9D is 2D is equals to 2 plus 3A minus A 2A. D value we have got this side, so let us substitute in this. 2 as it is, D value is 3A upon 2. Value of D I have substituted is equals to 2 plus 2A. 2 get cancelled. 3A is equals to 2 plus 2A. A terms will bring one side. 3A here only. 2A I bought this side. It becomes minus 2A is equals to 2 as it is. 3A minus 2A is nothing but A. A value we got. So we got A complete value 2. But here D value, in this D there is A. So let us find D complete value. So now we know that D is equals to 3A by 2. 3 as it is. A value we got 2. In place of A I wrote 2 upon 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 upon 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So D also we got. D is equals to 3 we got. A value we got, D value we got. In AP problems always we need to find A and D. Therefore the progression is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. It will go on. So A is 2, comma, A 2 plus D 3. A 2 plus 2 into D value is 3. 2, 3 plus 2 5. 3 to the 6, 6 plus 2 8. So this completes the question number 34. Let us see one more choice of question number 34. Find the three positive integers of an AP whose sum is 24 and product is 480. In my previous video I have solved like 2018 midterm paper. Same problem has arises in that question paper too. So let us see how to do. We can see here. Question number 34. Let the three positive integers be A plus D, A minus D. Sum and product when the comes, we should always take A plus D, A minus D. Three terms as like this. They have given sum 24. So sum 24, in between these three terms, we should put sum plus A minus D plus A plus D is equals to 24. It is given. D get cancelled because 1 plus 1 minus. So what is left? 1, 2, 3A left is equals to 24. A is equals to 24 by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24. So A is equals to 8. What we got? A value 8. Now product. Product is 480. In between these three terms, we should put product A minus D into A plus D is equals to 480. Now we know that these two terms are nothing but formula. A minus D, A plus D. So we will bring near A minus D, A plus D. Then only this number is left which will be in multiply position. If we take this side, it becomes divide. So these two will bring near and this A we will keep in the divide position. So A minus D, A plus D is nothing but A square minus D square. Formula 480 by A. We know the value of A is 8. In place of 8, 8 square minus D square is equals to 480 upon 8. 8 1s are 8, 8 6 are 48, 0 as it is. 8 square is 64 minus D square is equals to 60. Minus D square as it is 60 minus 64. Minus D square is equals to minus 4. Minus minus get cancelled. D square is equals to 4. D is equals to plus or minus root 4. In AP problems and quadratic equation problems, when square comes, we should take both positive and negative numbers. So D is equals to plus and minus as it is. Root 4 is 2. So here D value, we have two D values, one positive, one negative. But here in the question they have told positive integers. So therefore the three positive integers are A minus D, A plus D. 8 minus 2, D2, A8. 8 minus 2, 8, 8 plus 2. So 8 minus 2 is 6. 8, 8 plus 10 is 10. So this completes the question number 34. Now question number 35 is nothing but, it is the Pythagoras theorem. So if you need the explanation of Pythagoras theorem, you can refer my previous video where I have explained all 4 theorems of the triangles. So now this question is of reduced syllabus. Question number 36 is of reduced syllabus. So let us see the question number 37. Question number 37. Okay. Let us see question number 37. If A minus 5 7, B minus 4 minus 5, C minus 1 minus 6 and D 4 5 are the vertices of quadrilateral, find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. I have drawn here quadrilateral A, B, C, D and let A be minus 5, 7, B minus 4, minus 5. It is given in the question. C minus 1, minus 6, D 4, 5. We know that if we just draw one diagonal, it divides into two triangles. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is equals to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. Two triangles area, if we add, it is nothing but quadrilateral. So we know the area of triangle formula. So let us first go for area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC, A, B, C points. Area of triangle formula is half x1 y2. Just now we have solved one such type of problem. So here we have to substitute the value. First point x1 y1, second point x2 y2 and the third point x3 y3. Let us substitute in this half x1 minus 5, y2 minus 5 minus this formulas y3 minus 6 plus x2 is minus 4, y3 minus 6, formula minus y1 is 7 plus as it is x3 is nothing but minus 1, y1 7 minus y2 minus 5. Directly minus plus I have done here. So this half as it is, minus 5 as it is, minus 5 minus plus 6. Plus minus is minus 4 as it is. Minus we have to do plus but sign minus. 7 plus 6 13 minus 13. Plus minus 1 as it is. 7 plus 5 is 12. So let us solve now half as it is. 6 minus 5 is 1. Minus 5 as it is. 6 minus 5 1 plus minus plus 13 4s are 52 minus 12 1s are 12. So 5 1s are 5, 52 as it is minus 12 as it is, half into 52 minus 17 is nothing but 35. So area of triangle ABC what we got? 35 by 2. Let us keep as it is because we have to add two triangles area. Let us go for area of triangle ADC. Similarly, you have to find the area of triangle ADC. You have to just substitute the value A value, D value and C value, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Like this if you substitute you will get answer half into minus 109. Area cannot be negative so we should take positive value. Area of triangle ADC is equals to 109 by 2 of ADC. So we know that area of quadrilateral ABCD is equals to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. ABC 35 by 2 plus ADC 109 by 2. Denominator same, so 2 as it is. 109 plus 35 is 144. 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. So we got area of quadrilateral ABCD 72 square unit. Problem is graph, where I have already shown how to do graphs in my previous video of explanation of midterm exam 2019 paper, 2018 paper. So this completes the explanation of 2019 midterm exam question paper, which will help you all in for board examination. These questions may help you for board exams also. So do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.